Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. MS PowerPoint is a presentation tool. You have studied about MS PowerPoint in your previous class also. It is an effective medium to convey our thought, ideas and vision with the help of diagram, photo, clip art, chart, sound, color, design and special effect. What is it? We are conveying our views, our ideas, our thought with the help of diagram, photos, clip art, sound and many more. PowerPoint, in short PPT, comes with various other additional features to organize data and information in a tabular form. Apart of this, apart of chart, diagram, PPT also having the feature to organize your data in the form of table. A grid of cell arranged in row and column is called table. What is table class? Table is a collection of data in the form of rows and column. Now, in this chapter we are going to study how to insert a table, apply table techniques and formatting table with the help of commands. Now, first of all, inserting a table. Click on the new slide drop down arrow on the home tab to insert a table. What you have to do? You have to click on the new slide drop down arrow on the home tab to insert a table. Then choose the title and content layout. Then select the title and content layout. Click on the icon of insert table. Just click on the icon of insert table. An insert table dialog box will appear. Decide on the number of rows and columns and click on OK. Now decide on the number of rows and columns and click OK. A table displaying the required rows and column will appear on the screen. When you will do this, this form of table will appear in which you have to insert the number of columns and number of rows. Intersection of row and column is known as cell. What is cell? You are aware a place where rows and column intersect with each other, that is known as cell. One can also click on the insert tab and choose the option of draw table to create a table suited to her or his or her choice. One can also insert the table using the option of draw table to create a table suited for her choice. Now, how to enter data in a table? After placing a table on a slide, take the following step to enter column heading. How we are going to enter the data? First of all, place the cursor in the first cell and type the heading. Then press the tab key to take the point of the intersection of the next cell. Place your cursor on the first cell and type the heading, whatever heading you want to give. Type the heading in the next cell. The rest of the information can be inserted onto the table by using tab key or arrow key. You have to use two keys to move in the table. One is the tab key and second is the insert key, arrow key. After the data has been inserted in the table, click outside the table. Now when you have completed the entry in the table, click outside the table. For editing the table in data in table, simply click on the particular area and make the necessary change. If you want to make certain editing in the table, what you have to do? Click on the particular area and make the necessary changes, whatever changes you want to make. For inserting new row in a cell, just place the pointer in a cell and click on the mouse. Select on the insert option and click on the sub option of insert row above, insert row below. Required option can also be chosen from the layout tab. When you want to enter the new row, how you can do it? You have to just select the pointer and click on insert. When you will click on insert, it will ask you either insert below or insert above. So you can do it as per your requirement. For applying color in the background, click on the shape fill group of drawing on the home tab and select a color. If you want to do certain color, you can also apply the color from the background in the shape fill group. For deleting a row or column from a table, select the respective row or column and click on the delete button in the group of row and column. If you want to delete a row or column, just select the particular row and column, click on delete button and select the required option. In this way you will be able to delete the particular row or column which you want to do. Now, table tools. Whenever a table is inserted, table tool appear which has a number of tools and commands on the design and layout too. Whenever we are inserting a table in our MS PowerPoint, the table tool tab appear which has a number of tools and command on design and layout. These tools namely border shading. What are these options? They are border shading, draw table, table style, merge cell, split cell and many more used in formatting the table while preparing a slide. So the various options are there which we can select from the table tool tab for formatting our table.